How to fix Discord keeps freezing on Android. This tutorial shows you how to resolve Discord app crashes and freezing issues on your Android device. First, long press on the Discord app icon on your home screen or app drawer. Tap on the Info or I button to open App Info. Following that, tap on Force Stop to completely close Discord. Tap OK to confirm. Now, tap on Storage to access storage options. Tap on Clear Cache to remove temporary Discord files. This often fixes freezing and performance issues. Moving forward, check if Discord has all necessary permissions. Go back to the App Info page and tap on Permissions. Make sure storage, camera, and microphone permissions are all set to allow. Missing permissions can cause the app to freeze or malfunction. Afterwards, check if you have enough storage space on your device. Open Settings and tap on Battery and Device Care. Tap on Storage to see available space. If storage is low, delete unnecessary files or apps. Low storage can cause apps to freeze frequently. Additionally, make sure Discord is updated to the latest version. Open the Google Play Store. Search for Discord in the search bar. If an update is available, tap Update. Outdated versions often have bugs that cause freezing. Now, press and hold the power button on the side of your device. Tap on Restart from the menu. Wait for your phone to reboot completely. After restarting, open Discord and test if it's working smoothly. Alternatively, if Discord still freezes, try reinstalling the app. Long press on Discord and tap on the Info button. Tap on Uninstall to remove the app completely. Open the Google Play Store and search for Discord. Tap Install to download a fresh copy. Log in again with your credentials. A clean installation often resolves persistent freezing. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you fix Discord keeps freezing on Android, give it a like, subscribe for more Discord troubleshooting guides, and tap the bell icon for notifications. See you in the next one.